Welcome back, business partners. This is part 2 of our order form series, where we guide new partners step by step through filling custom orders with confidence. Today's focus is the hair color section. Let's look at this real client order with gorgeous highlights, chosen from our women coloring. First, under coloring, select ladies. For the base color, this client used number 2 natural brown. So we write number 2 in the base color code. Next, the highlights were number 27 honey blonde. So in highlights color, we write number 27. In the percentage section, the client requested 30% highlights. This is where you define how much highlight you want overall. Reach out to your sales manager for reference images of different percentage effects. Finally, in type of highlights, choose how you want the highlights applied: mixed, striped, chessboard, or dotted. This client selected the chessboard effect. And that's it. Following these steps ensures your order form is filled correctly and your custom piece matches your client's vision. If you're ready to place an order now, contact us today.